Imagine this: Fort Worth's auto repair shops getting a turbo boost from AI in Google search. Sounds like sci-fi? It's real and happening now. AI isn't just for robots. It's transforming how locals find trusted mechanics instantly. Picture this: a frustrated driver stuck in downtown Fort Worth types a vague search. Boom! AI mode deciphers their exact need, spotlighting the best-reviewed repair shops nearby. But here's the twist. This magic is powered by the America's Best Shops agency, masters of digital wizardry. They don't just market services. They make sure AI mode picks your shop first. Suddenly, an old-school repair business is flooded with new customers, all thanks to smart online marketing and AI synergy. It's not just a search, it's a revolution. And think about the ripple effect. More jobs, better service, and Fort Worth driving smoother than ever. What if you owned that shop? How would AI and digital marketing change your game? Ready to unlock the future of auto repair in Fort Worth? Dive into the AI mode wave with America's Best Shops and watch the magic unfold. Are you ready to shift gears and accelerate your business? What's stopping you?